Hi guys, in this next clip coming up right about now, you will see me smooth, rake, and finger detangle the already applied leave-in through my hair. And I like to repeat the same steps when using the Eco Styler gel. So yes, you guys, I applied my leave-in off camera, and throughout this whole video, I will smooth, rake, and finger detangle. Towards the end of this video, I will be finger coiling the looser curl pattern of my hair to help it blend in with the rest, and also to give me an illusion of having my hair cut in layers. I like to do that from time to time, so I just thought I'd pop in and share that with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.